I want to welcome all of you to the revision class, and let's start right away. We're talking about solving indices, that is exponential equation, like a math detective. And most of the things that we're going to be covering today revolves around what we already know about everything about indices, and we'll be able to solve some exponential problem confidently. We'll plan to practice several exercises and a little bit of practice questions from the exam. And that is what we want to make our focus. So in view of that, we're going to start from what we already know, because some of you have covered the concept prior to now in the video. And I know this content, some of you are consuming it on YouTube. Please, you can go to the bottom of this video to see the link where you have all the core concepts discussed in detail, because we are going to be building on the knowledge. And the reason why we are revising is to help students that want to expand their knowledge and understanding, transitioning from their understanding of powers to indices, and also practice many more exam standard questions. So just to recap some of the things that we have talked about when we're learning about powers. We talk about the general overview of the concept, powers and roots, and how to determine values when we are solving power problem, like you have 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 4. You multiply 2 4 times, and you understand the power and you understand the base. We examine special cases and how to apply the knowledge that we acquire from the laws to solving all these power problems. You'll be able to do multiplication of powers, starting from the foundational level to the intermediate level, and we transition to exponential equation. Then we want to be able to solve power problem from the same base, and then quotient of power with the same base, and how to solve negative exponential problem. And each of these have tons of exercises. So for us to transition very quickly, I would like to whet your appetite with these exercises. So take a look at these problems, and you can pause the video and practice it. But for those of you that are joining, we want to be able to do it together and take a step one at a time and walk through them. So that way we'll be able to get our feet wet, how we transition from understanding of power, and we go from there to start talking about indices, exponential equation. I think I have 10 to 13 exam standard questions that I would like us to practice. So in this class, we are not going to start by talking about the laws, the rule again. We can make reference to them, and from there we'll be able to go forward. So look at what you are seeing on the screen. You can write the question down, pause the video, and take the exercises. So on the other side of the video, we are going to start finding solution to them. So I'll see you in the next video.
If you find values in these math videos, please subscribe to be notified when the latest videos are uploaded every week. Also, check out the links below this video for more comprehensive math video tutorials to help you with your math studies, or in case you are preparing for your math tests, or any of the math exam listed below. Our goal at Practical Math Academy is to make sure you understand all the math topics you will be evaluated on. Also, see you succeed by practicing sufficient math exercises that will boost your confidence when taking any of these math tests or exams. Our promise is to assure you that when you study these math video tutorials and practice along, it will boost your confidence, help you gain a better understanding of the math concepts discussed, and when you see these questions on the test, you are more confident to apply the skills, and you will come out in flying colors. One of the best ways to consistently benefit is when you subscribe to this channel. You will be notified every week when latest videos are posted. There are additional benefits. We also post solved math questions from weekend revision classes, and you do not want to miss these solutions to past math questions. This gives you insight into how some of these math questions are asked, and how best to answer them under the limited time allowed by the math examiner. Links to comprehensive math video courses are listed below. Please check them out and learn more on how you can take your math understanding to the next level. You can also take our math survey to develop a solid foundation in your understanding of math. Thank you very much for stopping by today.